Number ba kayong dalawa dito ni Heaven sa concert?
Yeah. I believe so. Medyo hot nga ata eh.
And then, second question sa Gat. Gat, congratulations, si Adrian. Congratulations dahil yung song nyo na Dali-Dali was featured sa Binibining Pilipinas swimsuit competition. Kami nasa VIP seats, we were expecting na lalabas kayo, pero nakaloop lang pala yung sound nyo, no? yung kanta. So, pero were you able to watch the pageant sa TV?
We weren't able to watch, but we saw clips po sa TikTok. So, sinabi lang na po ng manager namin na, alam niyo boys, yung song ay nasa ano, sa...
Mga 30 minutes lang pinapatugtog.
Kaya, I mean, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso, lalo na dumating na po sa national pageant po yung aming song, na hindi namin in-expect na darating kami sa ganung level. Pero, ayun po, sana po yung bagong single po namin na-release is nakilikin po ng tao. Same way as namin dati.
But of course, this time, perform na kayo ng live sa Araneta.
Yes.
Perform nyo rin Daling-Dali.
Siyempre. Yes, of course. Lahat po na OST.
And then last question, kanina i-perform Rainbow, yun na bang bagong direction ng style ng music na gusto nyo tahakin?
Actually po, Rainbow is one of our rendition na po. So, it's one of our pre-debut tracks. Pero yung pong bagong song po namin, different po sa mga ginagawa. That's what I can say.
Okay, congratulations.
Salamat
Thank you,
po.
guys.
Thanks so much. Now, let's call in from Pika Pika Dabante, Ana Pingon.
Yung Marco ulit. Ay, Marco. Expound ko lang yung kanina.
Oh.
Yung, kung sakaling yung role na pinaghahandaan mo na ngayon, tapos ngayon, another season ng University Series, magkasabay talaga. Pero, ano mas pipiliin mo kung hindi magagawa ng kamay? Kasi mukhang, ano ka na,
Wala po talaga po akong choice. As in, sila po ang nag-aalis ng schedule. Parang ang mukhang mangyayari po ata, hindi ko po sure. Parang medyo naisip ko lang ito. Kung mangyayari, unahin yung Univercada. Tapos, pagkatapos ng next book, yun, siguro isusunod yung other show. Most likely.
parang ano eh, character ka na eh. Parang nataganda ka na pala.
I mean, of course, I have to try my best. It's a whole different, hindi siya series. It's actually based off of the Wattpad series as well. So, ewan. Tingnan natin kung ilang taon na naman po ang Wattpad series na iba.
Thank you. Just to anyone, I'm not sure kung aware kayo na may ginagawang musical ang Viva, yung Regrets, the musical. Is anybody of you interested to audition or may nag-audition na ba?
Ako po, I really wanted to audition, pero hindi po kasi ako nakaabot sa cut-off ng forum. So, if ever meron po ulit audition, magsasign up na po ako ng agad-agad, pero pwede ako masaladuhan.
Kami po, JT po lahat nag-audition sa
Yes po.
Apo, actually that was
Kahapon lang. Pero super excited po kami na we got the opportunity even just be in the audition kasi it's a different side of entertainment. Siyempre, it's theater. So, sana mabuha kami. Kaming, yun lang. Kasi for sure that's to be a fun project.
Yun lang. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Miss Ana. All right, now let's call in another TikTok content creator, Trixie Davos.
Hi everyone, good afternoon and congratulations in advance kasi sa malaking venue na kayo. So, my first question, ito, anyone can answer since diba, may barkada, so there's this word barkada. And so I'm wondering, sino yung gusto yung makaduo dun sa mga present ngayon or if given the chance or maka-tandem sa stage, sa performance?
Yes, Frost.
Gusto ko makatandem on stage?
Yeah.
Definitely Bad Genius cast. Because I haven't got any of them yet. But also,
Hindi si Sarah Jo.
back to the question. Also the university series, because I miss them so much. They go way, way back. First series was with them, so I'd be super excited to share the stage with them. Of course, Mutian, STP, yeah, it's all of them, honestly. I can't really pick them. Anyone else?
You can't really pick, ah. Grabe. Nagbabago talaga yung mga tao, no?
Ay. How about you, Marco? You have any answer for that?
No, I was about to say Frost, pero if it's that way, I guess.
Hindi, so, baka di ko kasama sa Magic Mike mo eh.
Huh?
Baka di ko kasama sa Magic Mike mo.
Eh kasi hindi ka naman papakita, bro.
Oh.
Kung kanino-kanino ka na lang napapadpad.
Open forum. Sige, Frost. Anything you wanna say kay Marco?
Hindi lang, just confess eh. I mean, hindi, pero sige, okay
Okay,
lang.
okay, bro.
Oh,
You know
Go with them,
you know
bro.
it.
Enjoy, ah.
Okay. Si Marco super batak talaga, pero baby boy yan. Super baby boy.
No, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. No, stop. You want me to start talking?
Anyways. Who's next?
How about Ashton, ikaw? Bukod kay syempre, kay
Ayun,
Andres.
bukod po kay Andres, syempre nilo-look forward ko po talaga yung kasama yung lahat ng girls. Kasi pili ko sobrang saya and parang nare-reminisce ako ng mga time na nagpe-perform kami as a girl group. Diba?
Robin, you wanna answer?
Ako po gusto kong makasama si Angela sa performance. Sana sabay kami sumayaw naman. Hindi na muna nakapagpatang. Masaya na. Yan po.
Anyone else?
Siyempre po, na-excite po ako maka-perform kami lahat na all together sa stage. Pero personally, gusto ko po akong makasama mag-perform sa stage. Like, Ashless, grabe na. Kinikilig ako sa kanila guys. Inaabang-abang ko. Sana nag-brought kami with them. Yeah.
Gets naman. Yes, Hans. Yeah. Sino yung gusto mong makaliwa?
Ako, ako pa ikikigan eh.
Ako po, syempre gusto kong hindi, rap dyan, syempre. Kinikilig ko na. Fan ako ng rap dyan. So,
Ano inaabangan mo, Ilan?
Ano, raptan. Panoorin niyo po yung sinusing Drake paano.
May second and
Hindi, pero I'll just insert po. Sana po magdaling-dali lahat ng Beaver Camp. Yun po yung dream ko.
wow, sana nga. So, my second and last question. Doing all these Viva One projects, diba? Growing with Viva, ano yung pinaka, sa tingin nyo, important na na-gain nyo as a performer, as an artist, na quality?
I think, kasi, Amutinex actually was my first ever like, Amutinex actually was my first ever, parang tuloy-tuloy na video project. And so I think one thing that I've gained working with the cast and also being around everyone here is I think I've strengthened my mental fortitude. Just learning how to take it one day at a time and syempre, being able to be ready whenever kahit di ka ready, you're able to get ready on the spot. So I look up to a lot of these people. Naalala ko nung first time ko, when I came here in 2023, nag-promote pa ako ng single solo pa ako. Kasama ko po sila, Captain Nicole, Kuya Marco, Kuya Frost, yung mga barkada sa mga performances nila sa Spanish tours. And so just seeing how seeing their work ethic and kahit pagod pa sila from their work, they still go to that stuff. That's what mga ibang collabs. Just seeing how strong their mental is towards everything. That's something that I always looked up to and always respect. So that's something I learned from doing all this stuff.
Robin,
Sorry, ano ba ulit? Yung ano?
yeah, working with Viva, Viva One, it's just started. Ano yung pinaka, sa akin yung mga naging growth mo, or yung important na naging mo na quality as an artist, as a person, ganyan.
Siguro po yung nakakapag-perform na ako sa stage. Dati, hindi ko po talaga kaya umarap sa maraming tao. And medyo kaya ko na po sumayaw sa ako sa harap ng maraming tao. Medyo lang po.
Kaya center
For me, I can't really pinpoint anything. I feel like there's a lot of things, you know. I've only been with Viva and in this industry for about 3 years. So I feel like there's a whole list, there's a lot of things that I'm still learning and growing on as well. But definitely, one of the biggest things is, same as them, just becoming more comfortable with things now on the spot or with being in the public eye and performing and stuff like that. I used to be such an awkward person growing up and as a kid.
you, Ashton.
Ako po, masasabi ko, parang dito po kasi talaga ako sa Viva. Natuto talagang kumanta, sumayaw, and mas na-enhance din po talaga dito yung pag-acting ko. Pero ang pinaka-importante ko talagang natutunan ko is yung makapag-perform ko sa harap ng maraming tao. Kasi sobrang mahihain ko talaga ako before. And ngayon po, parang kapag nag-perform ako and kapag nagagawa ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko, sobrang saya po at iba rin po talaga yung fulfillment na nararamdaman ko. Kaya thank you po talaga sa Viva sa, alam mo, sa pag-hold po sa amin.
Anyone else?
Derek.
Saan po? Siguro yung good thing na I learned from this book is yung good pressure na we're given a deadline. You have to meet people's expectations. Ganyan, ganyan. Also, performing on stage with big artists na we're comfortable with na tsaka we're performing at a big stage guys. It's really a good experience.
And you really improved a lot kasi kaka-start na po ni Derek like 11 months ago.
Hey, thank you.
Pero pinakabago sa amin pero he's really doing great. I'm so proud.
Thank you. Such a compliment from Eden.
Ako naman po, I think siguro yung naging help sa akin ng Viva, being yung Viva artist, yung mga bosses, minimake sure nila na hindi lang isa yung mapapakita mo na talent sa mga tao, or hindi lang isa yung mabibigay mo sa kanila. So, we did like workshops in singing, you know, dancing, acting. So yun, yun naman yung minimake sure ng Viva na yung Viva artists, like all around sila, like they can do all these things. And yeah, mas nag-boost lang din yung confidence ko in performing and you know, in acting with the help of the workshops na pinaprovide ng Viva for us.
Ako po, I think, ayun, same naman with everybody. We've learned a lot throughout the whole process of being a part of Viva. And we're very grateful sa kanila. Pero isa sa pinakamalaking siguro natutunan ko is yung pinaghirapan namin, marami po palang napapasaya. Hindi namin alam na kahit yung maliit na bagay, nakakapagpasaya sa ibang tao. So, that's one thing that I guess is stuck with me. Is lahat ng kilos namin, parang mag-i-inspire sa tao. So, ayun.
I think it's no surprise the fact that I'm not a singer or a dancer. Pero kasi every time like before in the past, I would kinda, hindi naman sa hate it, pero because I'm not a singer, I kinda have a hard time. I get this like, how's it called? Anxiety stage, where like, you feel so seen and you're so vulnerable. But then, the way I accepted it na lang is parang nakakatuwa kasi na, alam yung sinabi mo, like the small thing that we're there, we're singing, we don't have to be so good at it that it makes other people's day. Like as in, travel lang sila para lang pumunta sila sa mall para sa trips namin. And it just always ends in a good way, you know. 'Cause we made so many people happy in a matter of an hour. So yeah, I guess that's why we're doing this concert as well. Just a big thank you to everyone, the staff, Viva, the fans, everyone that brought us together. And hopefully, yung mga pakinggan namin ay magustuhan ninyo po.
Ako naman po yung biggest thing na natutunan ko is yung confidence. Kasi mahihayin din po ako sa harap ng mga tao. So, lagi, yung confidence ko po, lagi ko siya nakuha sa mga tao. Kapag nakikita ko na happy sila, na mas nagagalingan ko po. Pero ngayon, malaki rin po yung tulong sa amin GAP kasi, tinutulungan nila ako kapag may times na feel ko hindi enough yung performances ko. And, yes.
Ako naman po, since I started training back in 2018 with people, di po talaga ako marunong sumayaw. Sobrang tigas po talaga ng katawan ko. And saksi po si Ashton. Pero ano po, nagtatapo ako sa Viva sumayaw, kumanta, and mag-acting na din po. Ang napansin ko po sa Viva is that hindi naman po kasi natuturo yung star factor. Pero with all of the Viva artists that I've met and that I've seen act and sing and perform, Viva really knows how to bring out their star factor. Yun po talaga yung what I take pride in of being a Viva artist is that me and my fellow Viva artists, we are all stars in our own little ways.
Thank you po.
Nasagot naman lahat, no? Thank you. Break a leg again sa concert ko sa 50.
Salamat po. Sige po.
Maraming salamat po. Now, let's proceed with TV5 Digital, Von Beninario.
Hi guys, congratulations in advance. Siguro yung question ko ay para sa GAP. Nabanggit nyo kanina na this will be the first time that your group will be performing sa The Big Dome. Siguro as an artist dito sa Pilipinas, malaking bagay kapag nagpe-perform sa Araneta Coliseum. So kayo as a group, how do you feel about performing sa one of the biggest and iconic venues dito sa Pilipinas?
Siyempre po, sobrang thankful po kami sa Viva for believing in us. Kay Boss Vic po for believing in our talent. And, ano po to, stepping stone po namin. We'll get a taste of Smart Araneta Coliseum as a group. And we're so happy and we're looking forward na hopefully one day we'll get our own solo shows. Sana.
Handa na ba kayo sumigaw ng Hello,
Yes.
Araneta
Hello,
Coliseum?
Araneta.
O sample nga, paano na kayo nagre-rehearse for that?
Rabi.
Sige, buong Viva Gada na lang.
Oo,
Alright.
buong Viva Gada.
So, what's up, Araneta to? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
May patikim na sa mangyayaring FanCon and Grand Concert. Thank you so much and congratulations. We look forward to the Grand Concert.
Maraming salamat po. Alright, we will go back to Miss Anna Pinol. I believe meron siyang follow-up question for everybody.
Curious lang, busy kayo lahat, no? Pero do you make it a point na mapanood yung mga series ng bawat isa? Like, ang mga taga-section iba ay nakapanood na ng mga university series and vice versa. At ano yung mga share yung favorite scenes nyo or alin ang favorite yung shows ng Viva One? Na hindi nyo show.
Sige, simulan tayo sa Univercada. Yan, meron ba kayong mga napanood na shows? Yes, Marco?
Why am I always the first one? Pero sige, yun yung po sa akin. Okay, I'll stand up. I'm shy? Okay. Look, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't able to watch the other shows, but I did see clips of like the main scenes that were coming out. I saw Robin with the red hair at the time. I saw him with his group in the scene where they were gonna get in a fight with Frost. Remember dun sa Mundial section? Di ba may away kayo? Angas na yun. And the story before that scene, si Frost parang papatak siya dun. 1 month, dire-diretso siyang gym. But yeah, I mean, I saw a few clips of the other shows as well, even of the new one that you have. I saw Ashton kulit dun sa show niya. It was nice. I mean, it was nice to see that everyone, especially as well with Ashton, that we've worked in the past before, and to see how much you have done now. How proud. And then, yeah, I mean, I was able to watch the other university series. I'm currently watching the one with Lance and Aubrey. Oh, can I just add one more thing? I will post it later, and I will show you later. But I don't know what you did to Lance, but every time we're together and he's quiet, he's literally just re-watching your TikTok edits, you guys, on TikTok. I'm like, dude, you're with us. Halika na. He's thinking about you all the time.
Yes, Nicole. May mga napanood ka na bang other shows aside from...
Tumuro ako sila naman.
Hindi, yes, I actually have. And, so, wala yung pagkasabi lang kasi ni Marco. Parang ang tanda na namin. Kasi nakakatuwa po talaga. It's like we've seen, sa halos sabay-sabay kami nag-start. Pero, magkakasunod po. So, nakakatuwa makita na nagsasama-sama na yung journey namin halos pares, mga girl group, ganyan. So, kumbaga nakakatuwa kasi nakaka-proud na all of us na Viva artists talaga, at the end of, everything, talagang we all get to experience the same thing. And yeah, ako, kinikilig ako na hindi ko naman sinasadya makinig. Kaya sa unless. Hindi ko lang bakit. Pero as in, hindi talaga ako, I'm not expecting anything. So when I do watch, talagang nakakatuwa ko. Kasi, alam mo yung nakita mo kung saan sila nagsimula. At nakakatuwa na hindi nagbabago. And I'm very, very proud of them. Same with Nicole, like, ayun, lahat kasi kami, we came from like supporting roles. And now, extra lang, the supporting roles, and now we're the bida. And I'm so proud sa ating lahat. Malayo na narating natin. And yun nga, going back sa question, I've watched like all the university series from book 1 to 3. Para lang din malaman ko like how the story goes from, kasi book 4 na namin. And napanood ko some of the episodes ng Mutya ng Section D. And I can say that lahat sila doon very giving. Hindi ko nabasa yung book, pero napang-hook ako sa some of the episodes because really giving yung acting nila and sila yung characters. And one of my favorite scenes, yung kissing scene nila. Hindi, kasi sinabi ko ito kay Ashley. Kasi parang nagulat ako, pwede ka na sa kissing scene. Dati hindi tayo pwede sa ganun. But ayun, I'm really proud of her. And yeah, super, super fan of their talent. That's it. Ako naman po, yung pinaka-last na panood ko is yung AOTT talaga. Kasi kilala ko si Aubrey, and nung nalaman ko yung mga scenes doon, sabi ko, Aubrey, kaya mo yan? So inaabangan ko talaga kung paano niya gagawin. And grabe, ang galing at ang ganda ni Aubrey. And syempre lahat sila, galing nila.
Raps.
Ako po, wala po ako napanood sa mga series kasi nagtitake pa po kami ng Drake Palma. Pero yung Mutya po, napapanood ko siya ngayon sa TV5. And yung mga clips din ng ibang mga series na panood. Yan po.
Ako naman po, I've watched some episodes of Chasing in the Wild po. My favorite scene is yung, ano yung kabataan anymore? Sobrang cute po kasi ni Tyra. She's really cute po. And I love that. And then, I've also watched some parts of AOT. Yung car scene. Oh my God, sorry. Let's not spoil it. Pero yeah, ang ganda ng series na ang ganda ng Viva and of course the actresses here. Sobrang gagaling ko. Kapag may time po naiisingit ko po manood ka. Sometimes TikTok edits ko na lang din napapanood po yung ibang parts of the series.
I just want to say I'm really proud of you. Like, because right now I'm thinking about when we did cheerleading, and honestly we had like 5 days to learn it to become flyers. You only had like, I don't know, like 2 days?
Yeah.
2 days. She picked up so fast. And I'm so proud of you because you were doing so beautifully in your show. And yeah, to be honest then, I haven't been able to watch a lot of the other shows then because I've been super focused about Genius. But I have seen a lot of different clips from all the other shows, whether on TikTok or sa Vivo One, on their social medias. Recently though, I saw Yana's wedding, and I will be honest, I almost started to tear up, especially as I was seeing Sam's speech. That's it, everyone looked so beautiful.
That's all I can say.
After having heard that question, parang ngayon na-realize that I actually watch a lot. Like from movies, Vivo One, movies, series, even music videos. Rap Gel's music video I watched recently. Yung university series. The problem ko lang is when it comes to series, like, I have a short attention span, so I don't finish them. So that's my only problem. But when it comes to movies, like Better from QC, Better from Alabama, still my top 3 favorite Filipino movies. Like, that was my favorite role of Mark. I always applauded him for that. And as well.
Bumabawi ka bro Halika dito.
And I watched a lot talaga, honestly. I think if there's one, I know it wasn't part of the question, pero may inabangan kasi ako ng project. Bad Genius. I cannot wait for that. Trailer pa lang sobrang angas nilang apat, lahat, the whole cast. And I can't, I'm so sorry. Pero, I don't have a good excuse as to why I wasn't here. Pero let's just
Ako din pala, sorry. Sorry. I was supposed to come, but, you know, Cooper. No, I was really supposed to come, sorry. My bad.
Thank you po. Sa totoo lang po, hindi pa po nakapanood ko namin series from Viva. Pero nakikita ko yung mga clips ni Ethan, ni Rabi, tsaka ni Angela sa TikTok. Face-to-face sila. Nakita ko nadaba si Angela sa stairs. I feel so bad kasi it looks so bad. Pero sa sulit lang yan.
Ako po, sa totoo lang po, wala pa po ako napapanood na iba. Pero napanood ko po yung AOTV. AOTV. Pero kasi sinisip ko sa partner. Pero I'm looking forward to watch po. Medyo busy na po. Pero I wanna watch Safe Skies. I heard it's really good. And Rain is fun.
I've watched Chasing a while kasi I was a basketball player with Yellow Panthers. I used to be with tapos, I can't wait to watch us with Bad Genius. Congrats again to Aya for that. I was there last night. Sobrang ganda ng first episode. Grabe, intro pa lang. I started AOTD and I can't wait for the upcoming series that is posting up because it's something that I love deeply is in it. So, yeah.
Ako naman po, I watch some clips. Pero yung favorite ko yung kay Frost at kay Lisa. Great, it's a great combo. Yung ano, um, hindi, nagpapabili siya ng food. Tapos binili niya talaga lahat. Grabe.
Hindi mo favorite eksena mo? Favorite? May eksena mo?
Pero favorite ko rin naman yun, pero funny nung kay Love Frost eh. Sabi mo yun.
Alright, thank you so
Thank you
much.
po.
Next, last but not least pala, sorry, it's from GMA Entertainment, Nerds Almo.